Hey guys, anyone need a job? I'll give you a good supper and some cold beer. Cut this brush in 31-degree weather, or it's almost 90 degrees Fahrenheit, but I need this done. I want this all clear, guys. I want it all cut down. Hey guys, it's Dennis here. Yeah, any helpers? What do you think? I know some of you watching would come down here if you were nearby. I got some cold beer for you, or maybe fresh squeezed lemonade, eh? Maybe that's better. But it's a really hot day today. Like I said, 31 Celsius. It's almost 90 Fahrenheit. But I got to take advantage of the dry weather because thunderstorms are coming and rain maybe the next few days. So I want to cut some of this because it's really overgrown and I got to get to that. So let's try out the brush cutter here again and let's see what it can do. So before I get started, I'll show you what I have here. This is a 30cc 4-cycle brush cutter grass trimmer, and it works really well. I got this because I needed continuous power, like not wait for something to charge, so I can just fill the gas tank and then go at it. So it's been working really well, but I haven't done much brush cutting with it. I'm just doing like, well, thick grass I've been cutting. Look, I'll show you what I did. I just used the grass trimmer for this. This looked exactly like this here, but without these trees. Like some of these are trees here, and now you need the brush cutter because those are too thick. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in here and see what I can do. So let's fire it up and let's get some work done in this really hot weather. So look at that, guys. That's not too bad. So darn hot out that it makes it harder than it should be, but I'm probably going to finish this when it's a little cooler. I'm going to do a little bit more off camera, but I wanted to show you guys what I need to do. And it did pretty good. Look at this. That's a pretty good sized branch that it cut. It went right through it. So that's really good. But there's a couple of reasons why I want to clear this. First reason, we got to do some repairs on this carport kind of thing. That's where we keep our second load of firewood in the winter. We use that as like a woodshed. But the back part at the top has come off because there was so much snow last winter that the weight pushed it off. So we got to repair that. But I can't get in there, all that brush in the way, and then the mosquitoes are so bad. And now today it's so hot, so you can't win. Then there's another reason. I want to put heat in this garage. We're probably going to do it this winter. And the previous owner, he had a wood stove in there it's not very good. Let's put it that way. Like it's a fire hazard. Plus you got to keep lighting the fire when you want to keep it warm. So probably going to put a propane heater. They'll run a line in and then through there, and then there'll be a garage heater up there. And then it'll be run off of propane, but they're not going to want to put the tank here because it's so rough, so much brush. I read that if there's too much brush around, it's uneven ground, they don't want to put it there. Then it's got to be 10 feet from the garage, the tank. But anyways, I want to clear all this and see how it looks. Maybe we can level this and then the tank can go here somewhere. But you know, we're going to have to get this all clear and check it how it is. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to do a little more cutting, but I'm really hot. That's why I'm wearing a towel around my neck. I got to keep wiping my face. And humidity's getting high. Thunderclouds are rolling in. I'll show you that when I end the video here. But yeah, I did a really good job on this, cutting these thick branches. So I'm really happy with that. But it's going to be a big job. So any helpers out there? Free lemonade and supper, you know. Can't afford to pay you too much more, you know. And our great company too, right? Isn't that worth something? So thanks for watching this video, and next time maybe I'll show you I got it all clear, but maybe I won't because I hear it's going to be raining for the next few days now again. So if I can't get back in here, I don't know what I'll do. I'll just have to wait. So thanks for watching. See you next one.